Hi, all of you. Welcome to Quant Masters. I'm Himanshu Sharma, and with us we have Preetika, who's from Delhi, who recently got selected in TCS NQT with a digital profile. And the best part about this selection is many students were like, "Sir, I think TCS people are selecting only from IT department and not other departments." But she is from EC department who has been selected for a digital role. So, hi, Preetika.
Hello.
How are you
Yes.
doing?
I'm great. How are you doing?
I'm good. I'm good, Pritika. So, on the outset, we congratulate you for being a non-IT student and getting into TCS with a digital profile.
Thank you so much.
Okay. So, Pritika, the main intention of making this video is to help out people who are uh, having no clue, no idea about what is going on with respect to their results. Okay.
Yeah.
Many people are like, sir, we have given the interview, we did not get any mail. We have got the mail, but we do not know what next is going to happen. So we just need information from all the regions across India.
Yes.
So yesterday we conducted Karnataka region. So today we are conducting Delhi region. So that is for
Oh,
you. So
okay.
Preetika, we would like to know from the start date of your test till the day you got to know that you're selected in TCS for a digital profile, your experience and inputs about this.
So at first we registered for the TCS and QT.
Huh.
The link was provided by a TP only.
Okay.
Then we've registered, and I got the mail that my exam has been will be conducted on 24th of October, because
Okay.
the dates were from 24 to 28th of October, exam dates.
Hmm.
So my slot was the first slot. I got the first
Hmm.
slot. So 24th of October. But then when it was the second slot actually.
Hmm.
Yes. So I heard many people that first slot had many
Issues.
server issues and
Uh,
and all of that. And I
hmm.
was like, okay, let's see what will happen with me.
Uh,
Then I started my exam, and after giving like 6 7 aptitude questions, I've got server issues. Then
okay.
my exam was like delayed. I just shut down the laptop because there
Uh,
was no way for I informed the TPU, and they said TCS will give you another chance. I said okay.
okay.
Then I got the mail that my written test will be on 26th of October. I
Okay.
was like, okay, fine. It was in the third shift. I
Okay.
was fine. No. Then I started the test and whole process, and in
Uh,
between again I got the server issue,
oh
and
my.
my and my test again got cancelled. And
Okay.
literally I lost the hopes from TCS
Huh.
that why would they give me another chance, like the third chance. So
Huh.
I just lost all the hopes.
Huh.
Then on the 28th of October, I
Hmm.
got the mail around 11 p.m., 11
Hmm.
night.
Hmm.
And it was stated that on 29th of October, you have your TCS and QT. I got the
Wow.
third
Again.
chance.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yes.
So it is like
Then,
that. If it is like if you're destined, no, you will definitely get an opportunity for sure.
yes,
Huh.
exactly. I literally lost all the hopes on
Huh.
26th of October. But
Huh.
then on 28th, I got the mail. Thankfully, on 29th, my test went well. I
Okay.
solved the questions and everything.
Hmm.
Then
Hmm.
hoping for the results.
Hmm.
After and on around 20th, 19th or 20th November,
Hmm.
I got the mail that you are an NQT topper. So
Okay.
you will be given a chance for appearing a digital round. I was
Wow.
very happy for
But
sure.
for many of the students, no, they got the mail before itself, like they got it on 8th or 9th of November,
Oh,
and many people took it on 12th of November, the coding round.
okay, okay, wait. I'm so sorry.
Huh.
Yes, you are right. You are right. I
Acha.
got the yes, after the digital round I was talking about. I
Uh-huh.
got the mail for digital coding round on the initial of the November month,
Okay.
initial of the
Okay.
days.
Hmm.
And then I had the exam on 12th of November.
Okay.
Uh, yeah, 12th of November, two codes, 1 hour. It
Huh.
was same for all, and
Hmm.
I did the two codes successfully. And
But how
after
come, I mean, many IT people couldn't crack the coding round? EC girl cracking it. I mean, I'm just curious to know how is
but
this
Actually, the codes were very basic. It
Okay.
were they were related to like strings and list, like
Uh-huh.
breaking the strings, reversing the strings, sorting. And I personally code in Python. So for
Mm,
sorting, and so there's a simple function sort, list
mm,
dot sort. So I that's why I use Python. And
mm.
those questions, it may be my luck or anything, but I those questions seem very codes seem very easy for me, so
Yeah,
I
when your
cracked them.
preparation is really good, everything looks easy itself. And
So
one more thing, okay, I have heard
yeah,
that in TCS, the Python compilers are not good. They create problems.
no, for me, in NQT too
Uh,
and in digital round, I in both the rounds I use Python only,
and
and
it worked very
my
well.
yes, it worked very well without any error.
Okay, okay,
So
okay.
I just say it's my luck.
No, no, no. Okay, no, not. We heard it previously, not about this time.
Yeah,
This time it's not.
yes,
So, were you able to execute all the test cases in the
yes,
both
yes, yes. All the test cases.
all the test cases, both
Yes,
the programs?
yes,
So you were
and
expecting for a digital interview.
yes, I was expecting, but I
Okay.
haven't told anybody like I am expecting that.
Okay.
And on 20th or 19th and 20th November, I got the congratulations mail
Uh-huh.
that you will be selected. You are selected for interview,
Mm.
digital inter. It was not mentioned. It was mentioned only you are selected for interview, and
Okay.
it's not mentioned that whether it will digital or ninja.
Mm.
And after like 23rd November, around 23rd 24th November, I got the list from TPO.
Mm.
The candidates were segregated in two lists, digital
Mm.
interview and a ninja interview.
Mm.
So out of like 33 students, I guess 19
Mm.
were selected for digital interview and rest was selected for ninja interview after the coding round.
Can you tell me how many? Do you have any approximate figure like how many were selected for digital and how many were selected for NQT
Uh,
from
uh,
your
for,
college?
from my college, actually, from my college, around 150 students after the NQT.
Mm.
NQT test, around 150 students got the interview mail for in Ninja
Mm.
profile.
Mm.
And around 33 to 35 students got the mail for digital coding round.
Mm.
And after the digital coding round, those 33 35 students were segregated into two parts. 19
NQT.
students, 19 students were for the digital interview, and the rest 13 14 whatever students
Mm.
selected for a ninja interview.
Okay.
So around 200 students, you can say, combining all the
You
digital
mean
and
to
ninja.
say after the coding round, nobody was rejected. Either they got digital
Yeah,
interview or ninja interview.
yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
So
That is a big
maybe
point.
I guess one or two students, one student in my knowledge got rejected. His
Mm.
name was not even in Ninja and not even in digital.
Okay.
And
Okay.
when he talk to the TPO, they said
Mm.
they'll talk to TCS, and TCS was saying maybe he got in malpractice or anything. But
Okay.
they
Okay.
were not clear with their words
Mm.
um, because
So basically 200 in 233 to 35 took up TCS digital and that around 15 people cleared the coding round.
yes, yes,
And out of
right,
15, how many were selected finally
six,
for digital?
six,
Six. So
six.
six out of 34, am I right? Approximately,
Yeah,
which
yeah,
is not even 20%. Okay. And
yes.
NQT, how many people? 150 people cleared. In this 150, how many were finally selected?
100.
100 were selected out of
Yes,
150. That is
yes.
66. So I think this ratio is same throughout India. Okay,
Mm,
NQT, no, around 60 to 70% people are getting selected. And
mhm.
for digital, around 10 to 20% people are getting selected.
Yes.
And but in West Bengal, I
Mm.
recently got to know in few colleges, the selection rate is very less. In NQT
Oh,
itself, it was around 15%, 15 to
oh my
20%.
God.
Yeah, so I do
Oh.
not know why over there. Might be only with that college
Mm.
or something, but yeah, in West Bengal it is less. But remaining states everywhere, NQT 60 to 70%, digital it is between 10 to 20%.
Yeah, I've heard that only.
Yeah,
Last year from my college, there were only two students who were
hmm,
selected for digital, and one
digital.
from was CSIT, and other was from EI,
Okay,
Electronics and Instrumentation.
instrumentation. Okay,
Yes.
okay.
So
So
It's not right that TCS selects only CSIT students.
Correct, correct.
Yeah,
Many even other branches also get selected. The only thing is you just have to be good at coding and you need to
exactly.
execute all test cases. Okay. So you got a mail on 23rd or 24th of November saying that you got your interview scheduled.
Yeah, yeah. Then on the 1st of December, I
Hmm.
got the mail from TCS that my interview is on 2nd of December.
Okay, before you
Just
continue, just one question. Okay. Now
yes.
there are many people saying that, sir, is everybody from the same college will receive it on the same day or in the same week. So all your friends who were selected for digital interview all got it in the same week.
Yeah, everyone got the same mail on the same week. In fact, I think in 1 or 2 days only.
Okay.
There's a range for 1 or 2 days only, and they got the mail that their interview will be on this and this date. And
Mm-hmm.
my interview was scheduled on 2nd of December, and the time
Okay.
slot was 3 to 6 p.m.
Okay.
And I got the mail just 1 day before.
Okay.
Uh,
So before you, your friends attended the digital interview.
yes, pardon?
Your friends, your classmates, or your friends from the same college who were selected for digital interview. Did the interview happen for them?
Yes, yes, yes.
So did
Uh,
you just check with them what was the questions asked? What should I prepare? All these did
uh,
you ask?
yeah, I talked to one of my friend. He is
Hmm.
from IT actually.
Hmm.
Mainly the digital. I noticed one pattern in digital interviews. They mostly focus on new technologies.
Hmm.
As I've been working on IoT,
Hmm.
so I did 2 trainings on IoT, and
Hmm.
the technical round was mostly focused on IoT only. And
Okay.
when I asked my other friend about his interview, and he did all the ML and AI things.
Hmm.
So his interview was all around the ML and AI projects and
Hmm.
concepts of ML and AI. So they
Okay.
basically in digital interview, they basically focus on the new technologies. What
Whichever
were
you are good at or whichever
yes,
you have mentioned in your resume.
yes, right.
Okay.
So, so on 2nd of December, 3 to 6 was my interview slot, and
Hmm.
I joined like at 3 p.m. only. But my interview happened around 5:15.
Hmm.
Uh, then I gave my interview. It was very smooth. Like
Okay.
literally, the panelists were very good, very friendly,
Mm-hmm.
and they made me comfortable. Like
Hmm.
there was no nervousness in me, and I was
Hmm.
very confident because
Hmm.
at the initial stage they made me comfortable
Hmm.
with their questions. And so
Hmm.
first my HR happened,
Hmm.
then the TR, and then the
Hmm.
MR.
Hmm.
So in TR, they focused. She focused actually only on. I code in Python, so she asked a few questions on Python, and
Hmm.
she asked me to write a code to print first prime numbers, first
Hmm.
25 prime numbers.
Hmm.
And then she asked me what trainings you have done and what certificates you are having and everything. And she was mainly focused on IoT, that
Hmm.
what you did on your in your projects, and what you learned from these projects and everything around the IoT only.
Hmm.
And then the MR asked me, MR round was very easy. He asked me like my strength, weaknesses,
Hmm.
and what you did in this lockdown. And if I give you another technology apart
Hmm.
from yours, then how will you tackle it? And the questions related to like managerial stuff.
Hmm.
So it was very smooth. My interview were like it was around 50 minutes.
50.
Yeah, 50 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Then
he asked you basically on IoT for you, right?
yes, right. The
Okay.
technical interview was all about the IoT and technologies only.
Now, few of the students have this doubt. Okay, sir, if I have not answered one or two questions, will I get rejected? So, were you able to answer all the questions, or
No,
yeah,
no,
were
no,
you
no,
not able to answer?
no. Actually, in IoT, there is a term double IoT, industrial IoT. So
Uh-huh.
she asked me about about IIoT. Then
Hmm.
I clearly said, no, ma'am, I don't know about this right now, but for sure I learn this in the future.
Hmm.
So yeah,
No, that's a
for
nice
me.
answer. Hmm.
Yeah, so
Okay.
then related to the IIoT, I didn't answer like 1 or 2 questions, but
Hmm.
it was not an issue.
Okay. 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 So that was the
Yes.
only one which you didn't answer, or were there few more which you
No, no,
couldn't?
no. That was the only one. No.
Okay, okay, fine.
Yes.
So basically, even when it comes with respect to interviews, many people have this assumption that if I don't answer one or two, will I get selected or not? It is not about that. Okay, if you're able to
Exactly.
answer 60 to 70%, still you will get selected. But how you take the interview along with you is very important. How do you behave in the interview when you do not know the answer? How do you respond back to them? That is more important. That is what they are checking.
Exactly.
Even if you do not know, okay, what type of mindset do you have? No, sir, I do not know. Will you say, right now I do not know, but I would definitely learn it for sure. So all this
Yes.
they check. Am I right, Pritika?
Yes, yes, you are absolutely right.
Huh.
Uh,
So your everything went smooth, and then
yes.
your interview got over on 2nd of December.
Yes, it
5:50,
got over.
5:50 plus
Yes,
50 minutes means 6:5.
6. Yeah,
Huh.
exactly.
Okay.
Then after the interview, I was just waiting for the mail.
Hmm.
Basically, deep down, I know it was very smooth, but being an EC student, there was a doubt that
This no,
maybe
even now there are so many students from non-IT branches who are deep down thinking, sir, my interview has gone well, sir, but I'm from EC Triple E. I'm
exactly.
still having that nervousness. Will I be selected or not? So please tell it. Please tell it.
Exactly. Actually, the MR asked me very like many questions, like how will you tackle with the CSIT students who are like literally good in coding, and just only Python and IoT. How
Huh.
will you tackle with the? How will you handle the
Hmm.
situations and everything? So I told them, I will learn the new technologies, whatever is required. It will definitely add up to my skill,
Hmm.
and it will definitely help me growing up.
Correct.
So there's no issue like facing the CSIT students. If someone has more knowledge than me, then I'll probably learn from him or her. So
Hmm.
it will end up benefiting me only. So
Good,
it's
good.
not an issue.
Okay. I
And
think
he
here, no more it is about the attitude, how you answer, and your mindset.
Yes, exactly. He asked
Hmm.
me like many different questions.
Hmm.
How will you and the strengths and weaknesses. Actually, I one of my strength, I told him I'm very adjustable with the environment and the people.
Hmm.
So he was very impressed with this.
Obviously,
Uh,
just because they keep changing location. If they keep changing location, there are many employees who would quit, and this is
yeah,
highly unexpected. Okay, and they have to again take the extra burden of recruiting more people.
exactly.
This is
And
the one main point which they are expecting in interview. Are you ready to relocate? So indirectly, we
yes,
need to tell. So that is what you have done. You told that I'm ready to adjust. So somewhere deep below, you would have thought, okay, tick mark to that relocation thing. Okay.
yes. And I have also many extracurricular activities. I did many extracurricular activities in these 4 years of my BTech. So
Hmm.
he was very, and also I have good grades.
Hmm.
So MR was very impressed, like you have good grades and you also did like extracurricular activities too. And you are also good in tech, like Python and IoT. You did Python and IoT. So
Hmm.
how do you manage all these things? So I just
Hmm.
so these extracurricular activities uh, just are my stress busters. They
Hmm.
make me like when the situations are stressful. I like to go for extracurriculars to just calm my mind. So
Hmm.
they are just like that. And
Hmm.
he just said that's very impressive because
Hmm.
being an EC student, you did IoT trainings and you did Python on your own because in EC we study only core subjects.
Correct.
So
Correct.
so he was impressed. I can
But
see that.
next time, do not tell something like these are stress busters. Why stress from academics? Am I right?
Uh, yeah, yeah, right.
Correct. You can tell, sir, I like doing that, so I was able to do both. Over.
Mm,
Because of
eh,
this stress buster, I got into that. Don't tell that, this was stress for me. Correct.
oh, oh,
Though
yes, yes,
though
right.
they had a positive mindset, there were so many good points about you. But still, I feel that with respect to something, we should not tell that as a stress buster. Because tomorrow in the company, if you
Mm.
participate in extracurriculars, and if I ask you how come you're participating, you will tell stress in a job. That is why I'm doing this. है ना?
No, 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 yes, yes,
Uh,
you are
no,
right.
I'm just telling you. I'm just telling you.
Yes,
They
yes,
could have drilled more over there, but they didn't do that. है
yes,
ना?
yes, right,
In
right.
fact, you can tell how are you able to manage, sir? I don't know how I'm able to manage. It's just, something like that. You don't
Yeah,
you
yes, I got your point.
yeah. So good,
Yes,
good. And it even talks a lot about it. Now you have in technical also, you have extracurricular activities, which show that you're good at managing things. And this
yes.
is one more important point with the check in the interview.
Oh,
Is this girl able to manage? Because tomorrow, no, they'll might give you at times a lot of work. Deadlines might be possible at times. So if you're good at managing right now, tomorrow also you'll be able to manage. So
yes.
all these qualities, no, it cannot be trained.
Hmm.
है ना? Your mindset, your thought, these qualities cannot be trained. So if it is already there in you, they will readily accept you.
Yes, right.
Okay, so please continue. Yeah.
And he was also focused. He asked me like, tell me your strengths and weaknesses. Two
Hmm.
strengths and two weaknesses.
Wow.
And so I was not prepared for like weaknesses. I was
Huh.
prepared like, yeah, one or two weaknesses, but he was like, you have to particularly tell two weaknesses. Told the strengths easily,
What
but then
strength did you mention? One is
for
adjustable.
adjustable, and second, I told a quick learner.
Okay.
I'm a quick learner.
Hmm.
So he was like, he was very impressed, like, you are a quick learner. And
He didn't
because
ask
and
you how, give me an example, how can you tell
yeah,
this?
he asked me. Then I told them, so being an EC student, having all the core knowledge, and apart from all this, I learned the Python and IoT things.
Hmm, hmm, hmm,
These are apart from my syllabus.
hmm.
So I did the extra efforts, and I readily like, and mostly I grasp the things quickly. Most of the times, I don't need to like mug up the things.
Right.
Bar 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 bar. So
Good, good.
he was
So all of you do remember one thing, whenever you talk about your strengths or weaknesses, they will definitely ask, can you illustrate? Can you tell us
yes.
how is it? Okay, so
Yes.
weaknesses, what did you tell?
Weakness, one was my weakness is procrastinating. So
Huh,
I procrastinate a lot.
huh,
Then I told him I am a procrastinator. So
huh.
he said, and also I want to mention, never ever tell your weakness just like I am this. Also
Hmm,
tell them that how are you dealing with your weakness? How are you
hmm,
making it less of your weakness? So by adding this point that I am a procrastinator, then I added this point, but I am working on this and I've been working good during this lockdown, because
hmm,
being a procrastinator, I just want to like do not do things. But
okay.
I give myself deadlines that you have to do this, and after completing this before or till the deadline, I just treat myself. So
Okay.
that's how I'm dealing with my this weakness. So
Hmm,
he was very impressed.
hmm,
Then he said, yes, TCS will give you many deadlines. So
hmm.
I said, yes, sir, I will definitely gonna manage it before or till the deadline. So he
Hmm,
was like, okay, nice, nice. And then the second point, I just told them because I was not prepared
hmm,
that what should I tell my weakness. So I just tell I'm a very friendly person. It
hmm,
helps me a lot, but sometimes it like it just not benefits me. Sometimes
hmm,
it was not related to. First of all, told him that it's not related to tech or anything. It's just
hmm.
personal that I'm being very friendly to few people or to. So it not every time benefits me. So he didn't like focus on that.
Hmm.
So
He
he's like, okay,
understood.
okay, okay,
Uh-huh.
yeah.
Nice guy. He understood. Gentleman
Yeah.
was.
Yes.
Huh?
My interviewers were very sweet. Like literally they were very sweet. They're very friendly.
Yeah, yeah. We
Yeah.
understand that. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Then after that, what next happened?
Actually, when my interview started, then the first sentence from the HR was, "Your name is very unique,"
Hmm.
and so I was like, "Okay, thank you." And the HR said this, and the TR said also this. Your name is very unique, and so by this thing, I got comfortable. That yeah, my
Because if
nervousness
I've
was
seen your resume, all those achievements, extracurriculars, marks, everything
yes,
would have created a positive impression.
yes.
So
So and
all that adds up. Yeah. That is why. If you are not done well and all, no, they wouldn't have told all these points. So all that creates an impression.
Yes, and at last, just Emma just said that
Hmm.
it's nice talking to you, and we can see you are good at managing things. So you have done good in technology, you have done good
Hmm.
in curricular, and plus you have good grades.
Hmm.
So the last sentence from Emma was this only.
Hmm.
And they said, and also they asked me ki, why you want to be in TCS. So I
Hmm.
told
Hmm.
them that many of my seniors are also working in TCS, and I know the TCS has a very good working environment, and
Okay.
it's a lot of space to grow.
Hmm.
Being in an IT industry, and especially in TCS, so I just want to be in TCS to add up my
Okay.
skills and grow more. So,
Okay.
and and that's how my interview gone.
Then you finished on 2nd of December and you got the
Yes.
results on
I got the results from TPO on 28th of December.
day before yesterday.
Yes.
Okay, okay. So first, always remember people, your TPO is the first person who gives the results to you through colleges. And then you will get it from TCS people. I think you still wouldn't have got it from TCS people.
No, no, I didn't got the selection mail till now.
Yeah, so we thought it'll take for NQT people, it took around 1 day or 1 week it'll take to come
Yes.
from T. For digital people, it'll take around still 20, 25 days are over, but still nobody has got a mail from TCS officially. They've only
Yes.
got from the TPO.
Yes. And
That,
also one strange thing happened when the results were announced by the TPO.
mm,
There were 19 students who gave the digital interview, and
mm,
out of 19, 6 were selected for a digital. And
mm.
rest of 12 to 13 students got nothing, not even Ninja.
Okay,
So it was very strange that
point to be
it,
noted.
yes,
Yeah.
like they at least deserve Ninja profile
Mm-hmm.
because they were NQT toppers. Because
You never know. See, what happens is when they clear the coding round, expectation increases. They said Bahubali 1 we watch. Our
yes,
expectation will be more. Even if this Bahubali 2 is not that great, even if it is good, we would rate it as bad because
yes,
expectation will be high. Same way when you're clearing coding and you're coming for the digital role, and if you're not able to perform average, also, no, you will be rejected.
yes,
That is all
maybe,
because of expectation. They have quite expectation. So even if you're average, you'll not be selected.
yes,
So
maybe,
that is what might have happened. So all of you remember, you have given your digital interview. Okay. If you either can get digital profile or you can get ninja profile or you can try your best for the next company.
exactly.
Okay. So you are the only one from non-IT got selected.
Yes, right.
That's a
And
good.
there was one student from my college, EC. He was selected for digital through Code Vita.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, he was selected. He was selected back then only.
Okay. So, your college being a premium college in Delhi, that is why you people got it first. Am I right?
Mm, yes,
So,
yes, right.
premium colleges are getting it first. Remaining people need to wait. It depends on which tier college are you from. Are you from tier one, tier two, or tier three? That is one. Second is which region also depends a lot. Many
Yes.
regions results are not out. Few regions results are out. Okay, so we're trying to cover as much as possible. So was it out only in your college or any other colleges across Delhi? Was it out
Mm,
only in yours or others also?
no, no, no. There were like a few colleges are around our college, like 4, 5 colleges. The results are announced on that only.
And the
Also,
stats is the same. Do you have friends in other colleges?
yeah, a few of my friends are in some of the college, and the stats were same. Like the digital were like out of 10, they selected only 2 or 3, or the ratio is only
All
10
the
to
same.
20
It is the
percent.
same.
Yes,
Okay, okay, okay,
yes,
okay, fine, fine. So not only in Delhi, not only in Karnataka, I think other regions also the ratio will be the percentage of selection will be the same.
yes,
Okay, fine. So
yes.
anything that you would like to tell, and one more thing, okay. Did you check Next Step portal? Did you get your marks over there?
No, 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 no.
Correct. So one
Uh,
thing which I'm observing is people are getting selected. No, their marks is not getting displayed over there.
yes, right.
Correct.
There is a
So
pattern.
2021 pass outs who
Hmm.
are getting their marks somewhere. I feel I'm not sure 100%. Somewhere I feel they might not be selected. Somewhere I feel I'm not sure
Yes,
because all
yes.
the ones who have got selected ninja role, digital role, they
Hmm.
are like, sir, we are not able to see our marks.
Yes, right, right.
Okay. So again, I'm not 100% sure, but yeah, mostly okay. Don't
Mostly,
worry.
like
Yeah.
I've seen like all of my friends who got selected for the digital or ninja,
Huh.
they are not like having their marks on the next portal.
Okay,
So
okay, okay,
yeah.
okay. So anything that you would like to tell people who are waiting for digital results from a long time, like how you
Uh,
waited for 26 days?
oh my God, it was like a tough journey. I was
Huh.
checking my mails daily, like
Hmm.
after 2 or 3 hours, I was checking my mails continuously. And then I've heard like 2 or 3 students from other colleges in Delhi only that
Hmm.
they got the mail from TCS, and I was checking the
Oh,
list. So
okay,
my college got like the result after 2 or 3 days, other than the other college I know.
okay.
Then I was
Did
checking
they
the
get it from
mails.
TCS or TPO?
TPO.
TPO, not TCS. Okay.
Yes,
Huh.
TPO. So I thought maybe I'm not selected because they will send the mail or the list to the selected students only. Then I
Okay.
confirmed with the other students who had their digital interview, and they said no, the results are still not out.
Hmm.
So it's like it was like a long wait, but
Hmm.
the ending was happy.
Nice. And one more thing to be noted is people who got rejected, they didn't get a rejection mail.
No. They still didn't get
You won't
rejected
get a
me.
rejection mail. Okay.
Yeah.
So fine. So this is what we wanted to know. Uh, and anything else which I want to know? Yeah. So now that you have got the result from your TPO, you can expect the mail from TCS very soon, within a month.
Yes.
And also you need to keep you need to update them saying that you're accepting the offer, not accepting the
Yes.
offer. Uh,
One more thing. When
hmm,
I got the list from TPO on the 28th of December, along with that mail on list, I got one Google form
hmm,
from the TPO only, and it was the Google form for the selected students to
hmm,
accept or reject the
hmm, hmm,
offer. Sorry,
hmm,
accept or reject the offer, so that
hmm,
the other students, maybe the teachers have their waiting list or something,
hmm,
because it was mentioned clearly that if you do not want to accept the offer,
hmm.
then other students will get the chance.
That is
So
why they are keeping on hold. The few people they
yes,
have written as will be reviewed by corporates.
yes,
Okay, so people who
maybe,
don't select now, it will be given for others. Okay, that is
yes,
why
maybe.
they are telling that few results will be declared in Jan, and they're giving deadline of 30th of December for NQT students.
Yes, right. So,
Okay.
the students, the number of students who they will not accept the offer, maybe the that number of students from the waiting list will get selected
Okay,
later.
okay, super. Thank you for this. So also I have heard from my students who got from TCS Ninja that you have to keep checking the mail. You'll get a mail from
Yes.
TCS and you need to inform them the location which you like and the domain which you are interested in. Okay, so Pritika,
Yes.
keep checking your mail if you're getting from TCS every day.
Yes.
Every day,
Yes.
once you
Sure.
check, they'll just give you a window of 4 to 5 days and you
Yes.
need
Sure.
to submit it within that time for them. They will not
Yes.
intimate.
Right.
Okay. So
Yeah.
thanks a lot, Pritika, for your information, for your time,
Thank you so
and
much.
helping all the viewers out there. I hope all of you have gained enough knowledge about the digital interview, the digital process which is happening with respect to results. Pritika, we wish you all the best for your future endeavors. May the best happen to you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. So hope we were able to justify the much needed information which was required for a lot of students. With this, I wish you a nice day. Have a great time. Take care and keep smiling. Bye.